Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can resize a video in CapCut. So you have multiple options. The first thing you can do, obviously you need to click on the video which you would like to resize. So we're gonna left click on the video. Then you go to video and basic, and the first option you have is you basically just go to the scale, and you can either type in the number. 100% is the original one, the original size, and you can also just drag the scale and change the size of the video. You can also change the position of the video by dragging the video, and you can see when it's centered from the blue line. Another way you can resize the video is just go to the corners and drag the corners and change the size of the video to your liking. If you like to change the aspect ratio of the video, because for example you would like to have a short video on TikTok, then you just need to go to this ratio and just click on, if you want a short format, you need to click on 9:16. And as you can see now, the video is pretty small and we have these black lines here. So first you want to put it on the center, and then if you don't want to have those black lines and you want it to fill the whole screen or canvas, you can just drag it until you reach the desired size. You can also change the position so it looks good. Also, if you can't see the corners, you can use the scale. Another way you can resize the video is just to go to video, go to basic, and just turn off this uniform scale. And here you can change the width and the height individually if you would like. I usually have this uniform scale turned on because I want to keep the ratios. Alright, so all in all, this is how to resize a video in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.